Today we discuss about the second rule related to how two simple sentences are joined into a single simple sentence. Now the rule is we are discussing about rule number 2, as rule number 2 was already discussed, so I am going to discuss about rule number 2. Rule number 2 is by joining infinitives. So what is infinitive? Actually, infinitive is to verb, the base form of the verb with to. Now we come to the example. Anil has a large family. He has to provide for them. So Anil has a large family. He has to provide for them, means he has to attend them. Now answer is Anil has a large family to provide for them. How I have joined this? Now we have to look at these two sentences very carefully. In these sentences there is a sentence describing about a family. So I have joined in this way. Anil has a large family to provide for them. After a noun to describe it. So after a noun means a large family. There is a large family. Anil has a large family. Now to provide for them, which Anil has to provide. So this type of sentences can be joined by two infinitive. So Anil has a family to provide for them. Now question example number 2. He is very fat. He could not run fast. Now I have joined it in this way. He is too fat. Very becomes too, and the second sentence is joined into in this way to run fast. So he could not. This part of the sentence is not written here. So what type of sentences can be joined in this way? Now if one sentence is in the negative, to remove negative structure. So if you find such type of sentence, in the sentence one is the cause and the another is the effect, and the effect is in the negative sentence, so you should join in this way. So he is too fat. The first two is two, and the second two is infinitive to run fast. So we have omitted he could not. This part is omitted, and run is the verb we use to run fast. Now example number 3. Atil went to Kolkata. He wanted to meet his friend. Okay, now I have joined these sentences in this way. Atil went to Kolkata to meet his friend, to indicate an object or a purpose. So if you look at these sentences, Atil went to Kolkata, okay, he wanted to meet his friend. Actually he wanted means object, that is purpose. So we joined the infinitive part to make it a simple sentence. So Atil went to Kolkata to meet his friend. So if you find two sentences to be joined into simple sentence, and if you find the one sentence describes the purpose of some action, so the purpose part of that sentence would be taken as infinitive part and to be joined by using to. So here it is done. Atil went to Kolkata. He wanted to meet his friend. Atil went to Kolkata to meet his friend. So you just look all these examples properly and carefully and practice. Thank you.